Hi, hello, welcome back to another session of social class. I am Kavita here to present a new concept from geography lesson. In my previous class, we discussed about transport lesson. In that, we already learnt the meaning of transport, the importance of transport, types of transport and types of road transport and as well as railway transport. Today we are with a new concept from transport lesson, that is air transport and water transport. In today's session we are going to learn on these main topics. So let's start our class with the air transport. Air transport is one of the most important transport system of Karnataka state. It is the fastest mode of transport system. Air transport, so within the short time we reach our destination. It's carrying people, mail and lightweight goods from one place to another place. We reach very short time, so that we call it is the fastest mode, the fastest transport system. Air transport is very essential in the natural climate, during of war, but air transport is not available for all the people because it's a costliest mode transport in Karnataka, so that it is not available for all the people. So in Karnataka, air transport was started in the year 1946. When it was started? 1946, between Bangalore to Hyderabad by the company Deccan Airways. When it was started? 1946, between Bangalore to Hyderabad by which company? Deccan Airways. So Indian Airways nationalized in the year 1953. After nationalized, Bangalore Airport linked major cities, so that Bangalore Airport had declared an international airport in the year 1996. So in Karnataka, Mysore, Mangalore, Belgavi and as well as Hubli, these are the domestic airport, and Kalburgi and Hassan, the construct is going on. So air transport in Karnataka, most important air transport, that is Bangalore Airport, we call Kempegowda Airport. So Kempegowda Airport, before it was there in HAL. HAL, it means Hindustani Aeronautic Limited. Bangalore Airport, it was there in HAL. From it was in HAL, but later on Bangalore Airport shifted from HAL to Devanahalli. Basically Bangalore Airport, before where it was HAL. HAL in the sense Hindustani Aeronautic Limited. Now at present Bangalore Airport or else Kempegowda, an international airport, is there in Devanahalli Airport. So Bangalore Airport shifted from HAL to Devanahalli in the year 2008 on 24th May. Now at present HAL is one of the training center for pilots. Now at present HAL, it is the most important training center for pilots. So Devanahalli Airport is one of the best green airport in India. Now it is providing best facility for the people. It has well planned airport, so that it's providing best facility for the people. So this is about air transport. And next move on, the last but not the least from this lesson, that is water transport. Where we can see water transport, is it available across the state? No. Then where we can see water transport? Of course, we can see in the coastal region. It means the western part of state. Water transport or inland transport is very essential to travel, to carrying goods. Especially water transport is very essential for business purpose. It's carrying goods and others. So water transport we can see in the western part of the state, we can see in the coastal region. The districts are Dakshina Kannada, Uttar Kannada, Mangalore, Udupi. There we can see water transport. So that water transport is limited in the west part of the state. We can see in the western coastal plain. So water transport, is most important in the business purpose. Is what is the meaning of ports? The ports, places where ships are sheltered, are called ports. At present in Karnataka, there are 23 ports. In the year 1957, Ports Development Authority came into existence. When it was started in the year 1957. On 4th May 1974, New Mangalore Port had declared the nationalized port. In the year 1957, Port Development Authority came into existence. After that, New Mangalore Port had declared nationalized port in the year 1974 on 4th May. So that New Mangalore Port is called the gateway of Karnataka state. So in west part of the state, so many beaches are there. Those beaches are attractive for tourist people. Along with the important ports are there. Here few important ports are there. Look at here. Old Mangalore Port, Malpe Port, and Kundapura, Bhatkal, Honavara, Belikeri and Karwar. These are the few important ports of Karnataka state. So, water transport is most important for business purpose, especially in before introduce road transport, railway transport, water transport, air transport. Water transport was very famous in earlier time. Each and everything trade was going on through water transport. So by this topic today we completed new lesson from geography part. So till then keep watching video. Thank you and have a great day.